Hello everyone, it's me. I'm back again with another DIY video for you guys. My name is Valerie Rivas. I am the CEO of Royale Classy Creations, where we create customized classy designs that showcase our clients' individual style, leaving their guests astounded. So I'm coming to you today with a romantic Valentine's Day centerpiece, and I saw this centerpiece on Google. I googled and the image came up, and I thought it was a very beautiful piece, and I thought I would recreate that for you guys today. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started, so everybody stay tuned. So the first thing we want to do is to first start assembling our base. Okay, so we have these glasses that we found at the Dollar Tree. And we have two of those. Then we have these candle plates. And then these tea light holders. So first we want to put our plate down here, and we want to make sure we get this centered. So we're going to put our glue here, and we're going to get this centered. Then we'll add our tea light holders. Add the other glass, and then we'll top it off with another plate. So let's get started. Make sure that's centered. Apply a little pressure. Then we'll take this tea light holder and we're going to place that face down. Then we'll put two together like so, and we're going to place those, and then this one will go face up. So it'll look something like this. Then we'll place our other glass, and then we'll put the other plate on top of that. And I'm just going to go ahead and do that so we're not taking up too much time on this video, and then I'll be back. Okay, so you see how nice that is, even without having the flowers added to it. This is going to be a really beautiful piece. Always when you're making a tall centerpiece like this, you always want to have your, you want to be able to make sure that it's level. So I have my leveler on top of there, and I have to make sure that it's level and straight, because we don't want anything falling at your events. We don't want anything falling down at your events. And we don't want people to come in and see that your centerpiece is leaning. So we always want to make sure that it's level So always make sure you have your leveler on hand. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my floral foam here, and I'm going to add my flowers and add my top, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished project. Okay, so we have our flowers together. I'm just going to add some more to this to make it a lot fuller. And then this is going to go on top of our vase. And then what we're going to do to get that effect that comes around the vase is we're going to use this burlap wrap. And they have this at the Dollar Tree as well, people. So it's a burlap ribbon, and it's in the floral section of the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just cut it to where I need it, and I've already done that for you. And then what I'm going to do is, to make it look really full and really pretty, I'm going to add some rose petals, and they also have those at the Dollar Tree as well. So I'm going to add some rose petals to the base of this, and then I'm going to add my flowers to the top of it to make it look really full and really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to put everything together for you, and then I will display everything at the end.